how to remove or replace line breaks, page breaks, and formatting marks in Word. So if you've ever pasted text from a website, PDF, or email into Microsoft Word and ended up with a weird line breaks on every single line, random page breaks, or unwanted formatting marks everywhere, fixing them one by one is a nightmare. Let me show you step by step how to remove or replace them, and do this all at once. Right, so firstly, let's fix those awkward short line breaks that chop up your paragraphs. So press Ctrl H on your keyboard, and this will open up the Find and Replace window. Okay, and now tap on Find What, and if you want to remove soft line breaks that are created by Shift-Enter, you can just type in the caret symbol, like this, which is the 6 followed by Shift, and then lowercase l. If you want to remove standard paragraph breaks created by hitting Enter, you need to type in, again, caret and P. And in the Replace With box, press your spacebar once, in here, so your words don't mash together, and then click Replace All. There you go. You saw how many replacements were made. Now next, if your document has random page breaks throwing your text into new pages, we can purge those instantly as well. So with this window still open, you need to once again press on the Find What, and instead of my P that's pasted, you just press on M. So it's going to be caret followed by the lowercase m. And leave the Replace With box completely blank. Also remove the previously inserted space, and then press Replace All. There you go. And if you ever forget these secret codes while working, Word has a built-in shortcut list for you. So click on the More. After that, find and click on Special. And in here, as you can see, you will find a direct menu options for paragraph mark, manual line break, page break, and section break. You can also press Ctrl-Shift-8 to toggle and show hide button, which is this one right here. So you can visually verify where all formatting symbols sit in your document. That is it. Enjoy, guys.